So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the recovery program I use in order to recover my data in case of an accidental format, or I've just deleted some files that I really didn't want deleted and I could just easily get them back. Now I've tried many softwares online, and this is the one that just works out of the box. Usually 3 clicks, I get all my files back if they have not been overwritten. You want to catch these as soon as possible, and in some cases you can get some photos back from like 3 years ago. So today I'm going to be showing you the software. Usually 3 clicks and you're good to go, and the software is amazing because it's optimized to run on the shittiest of the shittiest PCs, and that's something I always look forward to because I have this little baby laptop that I always use every once in a while next to me. So here I have some pictures on this SD card that I want to recover, and I thought we would just do this together. It was from I think 2 days ago or yesterday's videos. So I'm just going to show you how easy the process is here. So as soon as the software opens up, you're just greeted with this page right here, which is basically self-explanatory. Deleted files, recycle bin recovery. That's when you empty out your recycling bin. You can do this for, and also formatted disk recovery, lost partition, this is usually aimed towards when you're trying to install, for example, Windows, and you accidentally deleted your D instead of your C. You don't have to worry if you don't continue with the installation. If you just stop right there, you should be able to get everything back with the lost partition, which is also really nice. I haven't had to use it, so yeah, but it's a really nice thing, and they just have plenty of other things you can do as well. Usually I go deleted files recovery and also formatted disk recovery, but in this case we're just going to go to the deleted, and you're going to pick the correct drive that you are trying to recover. I know mine's a local disk E here, which is the SD card in the PC. And we just click start. Now this is an Intel Atom PC, and it's a very slow PC, but this is going live right now, and you can tell that it's really well optimized even to run on the lowest of power PCs you could possibly find. And another really great feature that I truly love is efficiency, which means, you know, while it's searching, I can immediately just start browsing the files, and if I find it, I could just pause it and recover the files. For example, I just found these are it right here. So I can just pause this, and it even give me a preview too. So I don't even have to download all of them. So let's just say I wanted this one right here, and just, you know, check the box, and we're going to check another box, and we're going to check this box, and we're just going to click recover. And what did I click? I made like what, 5 clicks so far on the PC, or yeah, just 5 mouse clicks, and I was basically done here. And then now also another thing to take note of is when you're recovering a file, you do not want to recover it on the same exact drive that you're recovering from. For example, we're recovering from the E drive. I'm going to go ahead and save the recovered files to the AA recover file, which I've created for the sake of this tutorial. And now what's really nice also, once it finishes, it just opens right up, and that took less than 30 seconds. To do everything right there. And we're just going to go ahead and go through the folders, and we got our pictures back. Now these are pretty high res pictures, so the PC is going to, you know, basically be suffocating to open them. Can you imagine? So yeah, the software runs absolutely phenomenal, and I love optimized software more than anything, because it just, you know, saves you a lot of time. You know, you don't have to wait those 3 hours until it finishes scanning all the sectors. No, it's just going after the indexes first, whatever it finds, and it shows you, and then you pick the file, export it. It works, that's good. If it doesn't work, it's not going to work on any other software. Why? Because it's corrupted or has been overwritten. And as you can tell in our case here, we are good. So the software is made by Wondershare, and they have many other products such as the phone recovery and some other things as well, which is really great. And they just get really great reviews. And what's really nice is they give you 100 megabytes for free, so you can download the trial, which will allow you to recover back up to 100 megabytes, which you can test out for yourself. And as we can tell here, the pricing, we have the 1-year ultimate. Lifetime's license is like $70, but if you just needed it for a month, you get it for $45. 1 year is like $60. So it's up to you. It works both Windows and Mac. And yeah, Mac's a bit more expensive. So overall, if you're ever in doubt, this is a great software I could personally recommend. And well, that's concluded for this video, guys. The software is linked down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.